Ever notice that today's universal dimmers are almost all universally flawed? Maybe the lights flicker, or users can't achieve desired lighting levels, or sometimes they can't get them to work at all. Well, Legrand has designed a solution just for you. It's called the Pass Seymour Tru-Universal Dimmer, and it simply works with every type of lamp, every load, and every lighting fixture. And it's so simple and intuitive, anyone can use it. That means fewer callbacks, fewer SKUs to haul around in your truck, and best of all, happier customers. Here's how it works. Once a lamp type is selected, just remove the wall plate from the device and press the self-calibration button. The dimmer will then automatically adjust to accommodate that specific lamp type and load. Then simply reattach the plate and you're done. If the user chooses to replace that lamp with another type, all they have to do is repeat those 3 simple steps. The Pass Seymour Tru-Universal Dimmer from Legrand, the one dimming solution for every lamp.